Hello, friends. This is Savvy Zen Organizer. My name is Norma Galloway. I am a professional organizer in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys some beautiful items that I found in TJ Maxx slash Home Goods. Home Goods in Matthew, North Carolina is the best home goods I've found so far. The store is so organized and clean. It's huge. They have beautiful items there. I love this right here. And they have furniture items, of course, and some lots of storage items, beautiful items that you can put in your home to kind of make it look shabby chic or whatever style you're going for. I mean, they had everything you can imagine if you want cottage feel or just something unique that no one else has had, in their home. Just little storage items, just something to give your house a little pop of color, any kind of storage you want. This is like a bed under type of storage. And they had whole sections in there for storage. And being an organizer, that is a dream come true. Everything organized and in one section of the store for storage and organization. So, of course, I spent about 2 hours in this store just enjoying all the beautiful items I saw and getting ideas on how you can use these items in homes, because when I'm doing a project, I kind of want to already have in my mind where I can find items and what would look good in your space based on your decor and your opinion of what you want in your home, what you're looking to do. But if we are going out on a shopping spree for storage items, or even if you want to do some feng shui, kind of glamorous stuff in your home, because I do professional interior decorating also. I can help you with those things. So, if you are interested in just taking a look in this store so you have ideas when you're looking to hire a professional organizer like myself, and then we can go shopping together, which I love to do. So take a look at these items and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys.